Hello team, we are going to solve a few more equations. Now, when you see a coefficient, which is the number in front of the variable, you have to know that what you're really looking at is a multiplication problem. That's multiplication. That's what's bringing the number, negative 0.2, and the letter together. So we have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. What are we multiplying by? We're multiplying by negative 0.2. So we have to do the opposite of that, which is divide by negative 0.2. Remember, we want to isolate the variable. And the only way to do that is to get rid of what's attached to it, which is the coefficient. Now, if we're going to divide by negative 0.2 on one side, we have to divide by negative 0.2 on the other side. So let's simplify this. The equal sign comes down, and we make sure to keep that consistent. Negative 0.2 divided by negative 0.2 is a big 1. X drops down. And now we're going to use, you can use a calculator for this part. You can use Desmos scientific calculator. So we have 5, and I'm just going to use my own calculator here. 5 divided by negative 0.2. Negative 0.2. All right. And so we get negative 25. Negative 25. All right. Now let's do another problem. So now we have x by itself. So this is our final answer. And then we can move on to another problem. So here we go. Let's move on to 0.3 times x is equal to 6. So our job is to get x by itself, to get the variable by itself. So what's bringing the coefficient and the letter together? Multiplication. So let's do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we are going to divide by 0.3. And whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other side. So we're going to divide by 0.3. Now, 0.3 divided by 0.3 is 1. X drops down, equal to, and we're going to use our trusty handy dandy friend, our calculator. And remember, the calculator is only as smart as you are, because you're the one pushing the buttons. So 6 divided by 0.3. Okay. 6 divided by 0.3, and that gets us 20. And now we're done. So that's what we're doing today. Thanks, team.